Let's have a quick overview on how the invoice can be customized in WooCommerce. You can begin by downloading and installing the WebToffee's PDF invoice, packing slip, delivery note, shipping label for WooCommerce plugin. On activating the plugin, navigate to the invoice packing from the WordPress menu. Move on to the invoice settings window. It is in the Customize tab where you get various options to configure the look and feel of the invoice. You can create new invoice templates from existing layouts. Each layout differs in its appearance and arrangements of elements and its constituent colors. Let us go ahead by choosing the layout Regal and customize it further. You can see that, as per the settings configured previously, the logo, as well as other details, are already populated in the invoice layout. The visibility of each element in the invoice can be controlled by the toggle button incorporated in this tab. Additionally, some generic elements like the font size, style, color, and other specific attributes of each element can also be changed as per your need. For example, to change the attributes of the invoice number, expand the element invoice number and then change the text from invoice to invoice number, then its font size from 14 to 16, style from bold to bolder and color from black to red. Similarly, let's change the text align of the shipping address from left to right, then table head background color of the product table to blue. Likewise, you can play around the layout and customize the invoice to your desired style. Prior to activating the layout, you can have a sample preview of the recent orders invoice in the PDF format to ensure that everything is properly placed. To get the preview of a specific order, then key in with the respective order number here. You can even switch to the code editor to make additional customizations other than the one listed in the visual editor. For instance, to give a border for the invoice header, you can simply insert the corresponding code and then switch to the visual to view the changes. While making changes via code editor, it would be better for you to refer the help which briefs about placeholders, alternate classes for RTL support, etc. For instance, to display the invoice date under the logo, you can simply copy the invoice date placeholder and paste it under the logo in code editor. You can see that the invoice date beneath the logo in the visual editor. Once all the settings are configured, specify an appropriate name for the template, say, My Invoice, and save it. If there are no existing templates saved, then the created template will be activated automatically. If multiple templates are saved, it will be listed under My Templates with provisions to activate, edit, and delete. On editing an existing template, you will be redirected back to the Customize window. You can make the necessary changes to the template and save it as usual. To activate the edited template, click on Activate. Hope you have understood the different ways of customizing the invoice. Check out our tutorials to know more on other features offered by the plugin.